Hi guys, I'm Miss Pridgen from Maryvale Prep Athenaeum, and today I'm going to show you how to make butterflies using Play-Doh. The only materials we'll be needing today will be our Play-Doh. I chose my two favorite colors, red and blue. Remember, this is your project. You could choose whatever color you want. We're going to start by using blue for our body. Don't put your red too far, you want to save that for later. Grab a small section of blue and roll it out to make a caterpillar. Once you have your body, go ahead and grab another small piece and roll it into a ball to make the head. With our body done, we're going to take a red and roll it out into 4 balls to make the wings. Did you know the butterfly's wings are covered in thousands of tiny scales? These scales provide camouflage or mimic patterns of large animals like owls to protect the butterfly from predators. Now with our pieces rolled out, we are going to gently flatten them. I'm going to use my leftover blue to make antennas and decorations for my butterfly. For my decorations, I chose to roll out 4 small pieces for the top and 4 more small pieces for the bottom. You could choose whatever design you like. Using my red, I'm going to give this butterfly a nice happy smile. And here is our beautiful butterfly. I can't wait for our next project together. Have a great day, guys. Bye!